Hi guys, today I'm about to Noble and I found a couple fidgets. Okay, first there's people where I wanted to go, so I'm going somewhere else. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Sorry. I want a knock. Okay. I saw the house. So, yeah. Stress balls. Squishy. That's so squishy. There's like spiky balls. And there's these. Here, I'll set you up. My water is dripping. I don't know where, but it's just okay. These are cute. My trousers. Tiny treasures. They're not tiny, they're not treasures. That's the best I can do. I'm sorry guys, I'll have to bend down. It's called a rainbow fidget. Nice. Oh, these change. These go. Oh, that's cool. This is probably not a good place to. A bookstore is probably not the best place to use a pop cube. It's like the worst place to do it. Yeah. Little poppy scent. This isn't really a fidget. My teacher had one of these. Ooh, look at all the glitter on that. I feel like there should be slime. Make a bubble. Okay, that's not really. Oh, can someone please tell me what this is called? I forgot. Comment down below if you know what this is called, because I forgot it. Wait, water snake. Slay me. I can drop it. Maybe like just do this and then pop it. Oh, not marble mesh ball. They have some bouncing putty, needle, and a Spanish. Twisty the snake. It's in Spanish. Twisty the snake. You need to know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm crazy, to make me feel alright. Wait, I think that's how you do it. over. Oh, there's a pea popper. A pea popper. Sticky slug. It's a sticky slug. I forgot what these are called. Glow in the dark slug bug. And then a tangle ball. Step tangle. It's a tangle. Anything else? Oh, there is one thing. I'm gonna show you. Oh, my back hurts. And there's not no slime here. So if you ever want to get fidgets, there's like a lot at Barnes and Nobles. But I don't recommend them because it's expensive. This is an expensive place. Sorry. These are so cool. I want one. I'm not a kid, but I want one still. Pasta set. Grown men and women use these. I already have this, and I don't have this, and I don't. Oh, I want that. Oh, she's ugly. They're calico. I haven't seen this since. Okay, I'm gonna make a part 2 because this is about to end in 3, 2 more. Bye, Jelly Crackers, guys. Love you all.